Hello everyone, today we're going to solve set 9 problems 23 and 24. Problem 23. The diagram shows the first few squares of a spiral sequence of squares. All but the first 3 squares have been numbered. After the first 6 squares, the sequence is continued by placing the next square alongside 3 existing squares, the largest existing square and 2 others. The 3 smallest squares have the sides of length 1. What is the side length of the 12th square? Now this question is quite similar to the Fibonacci sequence, the spiral sequence. However, the first 3 numbers are the same, so it's slightly different. But let's just write down the sequence. So we have 1, 1, and 1 for the first 3 squares. And so we have 3 as our 4th square. And then the side length of the 6th square is the sum of the side length of the 4th and 5th. The side length of 5th square is the sum of the side length of the 3rd and 4th square. So we have 1 plus 3 as our 5th square. And then same rule applies for the 6th square. We have 3 and 4, so we have 7. And then we continue the sequence by adding the last 2 numbers. So we have 18, and then 29, and then 47, and then 76, then 123. So this is the 12th number in the sequence. So the side length of the 12th square is equal to 123. So C is the correct answer. Problem 24. Part of a wall is to be decorated with a row of 4 square tiles. 3 different colors of tiles are available, and there are at least 2 tiles of each color available. Tiles of 3 colors must be used. In how many ways can the row of 4 tiles be chosen? So the question is saying that there should be at least 1 color with 2 tiles. So I'm just going to say black, white, and red as the 3 colors. So there's going to be 3 cases where there are 2 black tiles, or there can be 2 white tiles, or there can be 2 red tiles. And if we just find the number of cases for the number of ways for one case, then we can just simply multiply 3 to find the number of possible ways of the total for tiles. So let's just look at the case where there are 2 black tiles, 1 white tile, and 1 red tiles. There are 4 possible tiles, and let's just put white first. And there are 4 possible options, and let's say I just put in the second tile, the white one. We have 4 possible cases. Now for the red one, we have 3 tiles remaining. So there are 3 possible ways to fill the second tile. Let's say I've colored the last tile as red. And these 2 choices are independent of each other, so we're going to multiply those 2 numbers. Now we have 2 black tiles remaining. However, there's only 1 case of the arrangement because there are only 2 tiles left, and we have to fill in 2 black tiles. We're just going to multiply 1, even though that's not necessary. So for the case where there are 2 black tiles, there are 12 possible cases to arrange the colored tiles. Meaning, if we multiply 3 to 12, we can get the total number of cases. So we have total 36 cases. So A is the correct answer. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you again. Bye.